Hello, my sparkly sunshines, all my crafters out there. Alright, here's another craft that I did. Let me turn it this way. Maybe this is better. Oh, sorry for the finger. Here's another craft. I made 2 of these. I'm going to show you the next one in a minute. So yeah, I made this with the bowl, with the monogram letter in the middle. I did this one like this with bow at the top and put some little extra down at the bottom just to see, you know, just kind of try to make them different. So that's why I did that. And I made the bows. If I didn't purchase the bows, I made the bows. So this is one, and let me show you the other one. This is the one, and it's the other one. Okay, so I didn't put any extra down on that one. I just like this one. Oh, it's kind of, let me turn it up a little. This a little. There's a cricket. I didn't notice that. I'll fix it up later when I get off camera. And again, yeah, I made the bows. I'm trying to fluff them up a little more. You gotta fluff them. So yeah, and then that's another monogram letter that I made in the center of the plate. And I told y'all when I was doing this rose gold plate on something, I was making something that I was showing you all that I like this color. And I had another one in this color, so I said, ooh, I can show the rose gold color along with what I want to make. So yeah, these are not gifts either. These is just some decorations. I think I'm probably put one on the doors of the house. You know, put like a little command strip or something on the back and hang it on the door. So that's what I'm thinking about doing with these. Yeah, I might, if my sister wanna hang one in her house or put one in her house, I'll probably get her one, let her hang one in her house. So yeah, this is what I did with this. And again, guys, I know I said in all of them, but just in case someone seeing this one and didn't see the other ones, me showing now, you know, that I'm just really crafting. I'm just doing it. If anyone is interested, just leave me, you know, a message through my contact page on my website. My website is niecesdesign.com, and I got the website on the screen. And if you're interested and you want one, you contact me through my contact page, and then we'll, you know, talk back and forth about the price and you know, shipping and everything, or maybe even pick up if you know, if you're in the local area. But mainly shipping. I'd rather do the shipping, and we talk about it. And so because I didn't just like make these to be like making a lot of them, you know, to sell for people. But if someone is interested, I would have to go out and get the materials to make it. But if any chance that I don't find the materials, I will immediately get back in touch with you and let you know that I won't be able to do it for you, so you can find other options. You know, I will immediately let you know if I don't get a chance to get out and do if I don't get out to do the if I can't find the materials. That's it. If I can't find it, I immediately let you know. So, but yeah. So, okay, everyone. Here we go with the like wreath plate with the monogram on it. So, thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, everyone. Bye.